Respected principal, dear teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today we gather to commemorate a pivotal moment in our nation's history, the Pakistan Resolution Day. On this day, March 23, 1940, our forefathers boldly envisioned a separate homeland for Muslims where they could live freely, practice their faith, and build a prosperous future. This historic resolution, passed at the Manto Park in Lahore, was a culmination of decades long struggles and sacrifices. Our great leader, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, played a pivotal role in uniting the Muslim community and guiding them towards this monumental achievement. The Pakistan resolution was not merely a demand for a separate land, it was a call for freedom, justice, and equality. It was a declaration that Muslims would no longer be treated as second class citizens in their own homeland. It was a testament to the unwavering faith, unrelenting passion, and unshakable resolve of our ancestors. As we celebrate this momentous occasion, we must remember the sacrifices of those who fought tirelessly for our freedom. We must honor the memories of national heroes who bravely faced prosecution, imprisonment, and even martyrdom, but never wavered in their commitment to the cause. Today, as we stand on the threshold of a new era, we must reaffirm our pledge, uphold the principles of justice, equality, and compassion. We must work together to build a Pakistan that is worthy of the sacrifices of our forefathers, a Pakistan that is prosperous, peaceful, and progressive. Let us draw inspiration from the courage and conviction of our ancestors. Let us strive to become the leaders, thinkers, and change makers who can shape a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. Long live Pakistan. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.